All right, here, I'm gonna make a quick video as best as I can with my phone. Okay, so here we have a wire harness, okay? The wires are sticky with electrical tape and all that nonsense. So you wanna figure out what colors are what or whatever. So you wanna clean it. So I thought I'd make this quick video. What I do is I get brake clean and spray it right on. Give it a little dab. Try to hold the phone for you. Try to hold the camera for you. Really, it's working against me. I have nothing to hold it. Please. Bear with me. So that's that wire. I'm gonna clean the rest. Well, I did the rest. All of them look like it. Right here's a good example. These were all black. I cleaned them all up. Comes up pretty good. So I hope this helps. If you're running this issue, I'm rewiring this harness, fixing any shorts. There's a short in it, so I'm fixing that. That's why I have this all apart like this. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope this helps. Comment below and hit the notification tab, please. Thanks.